So on this video here we are going to show you how to change the glow plugs on the 2.0 TDI engine. This is a Passat 2006, and we had a fault code of the 4-cylinder glow plug, short to plus, which means the connections are good, but the plug itself is damaged. So to start, we have to remove the box for the air filter and the pipe that goes there. Then we have to remove the breather hose, and after we need to remove this cover here for the belt, the timing belt, and then we are going to have, let me just remove this from here. Okay, we're going to have this this is, let me see, it's a T30. We're going to have these bolts, T30 bolts all around, and remove the valve cover. After that, these are the plugs. I already took the plugs off. These are the plugs. These ones are for the injectors, these ones here, and on the back side here it's the plugs for the glow plug. So the glow plug sits down there. Let me see if I can show you. No, it's difficult to show you. Yeah, in the little hole down there. You'll need 8mm long socket, so you're able to remove it. And yeah, so I removed those. It's not that hard because they are always bathed in oil, so most likely they'll come loose quite easily. This car is 300,000 kilometers, and I had no problem removing them. To put it back, well, you must put a new valve cover gasket with some RTV if you like. Not mandatory, but you know, if you want to make sure there is no oil leaks on the top. I can show you how I test them, the glow plugs. This is another car, another project. Okay, so these are the glow plugs I removed. 3 of them are more or less okay. This one is the problem one. So now I'm going to show you how they should work, and now this one is working. I'm going to replace all 4 of them. They are a bit expensive, but you know, because of the way these cars are made and the work it takes to replace them, I might as well replace everything. So yeah, like this, you put the negative to the body of the glow plug and attach with the positive on the back side here, and like this, like that. This is how they are supposed to work. And now let's try this one. This one is the 4th cylinder glow plug. Let's see how it goes. Wait, sorry. It's difficult to do everything with one hand. Okay, like this. Now touch there. I don't even know if it's touching or not, because yeah, it's touching. Nothing happens. No spark, nothing. So this one, you can actually see it. Let me see if I can focus this. Let me see against the white here. Yeah, you can see it's not round anymore. It has a bite on the side. So this one is damaged. You know, most people, they think they cannot do this job at home, but you know, that's not the case. It's doable. It's about, I don't know, maybe 45 to an hour um, job. It's not that difficult. It's just to make sure that when you tighten them down, don't over tighten them. You can put some copper grease just to stop them to corrode. Well, in this case they will not, because this is bathed in oil all the time, so it's not that big of an issue. On this car I'm just waiting for the new plugs to arrive. I've changed the oil as well, new filters. I have to change the diesel filter over here, and this filter, when you change it, you want to go and fill the new one with fresh diesel, so it's easier to start the car. If you can vacuum that place over there, it's just to remove most oil that you can. So when you take the glow plugs out, there's no oil dripping into the cylinder head. Otherwise, when you start the engine, you'll blow a lot of white smoke, and depending on the amount of oil that you get in there, they might get loose. Like you turn the key off and the engine keeps running, and just fed by oil. But usually just a lot of smoke, and that's it. Well, everything else then, there's an order to tighten the bolt. Usually you start on that one, then on the opposite side here there's another one right here, and then just cross it from the inside out. Just tighten everything and then just retighten everything, not too much because it's a plastic cover, but just tight enough so you can feel that no oil will leak from there. I don't know the specifications of the torque that it's needed to do that, but till today I've done dozens of these cars and never had an issue with a valve cover leaking. Okay guys, so hopefully this was helpful. I know a lot of people are trying to find the glow plugs or the injectors in these engines, but I don't know any other engine that works like this. Only the 1.9 and 2.0 PD engines, which is pump twos, which is these injectors here. It means pump injector. Okay, so I think that's it. As you can see, you want to keep it as clean as possible. Clean all the seating of the new gasket, and apply just a little coat of RTV. Put the valve cover on top. Tighten the screws just with your finger tight, just to let the RTV set, and then after maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, you can tighten it so it doesn't squish out, especially for the inside. Okay guys, so hopefully this video will help you, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe, okay?